So we have this thing with all of our fonts, and I keep using it like on everything, including the card this month. And my sister's like, it's just fonts. And I'm like, no, this is graffiti. This is GLITZGLAMBOX graffiti. Okay, and inside story. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you don't know who I am Chanelle, the CEO of GLITZGLAMBOX. I curate the box every single month with my sister, Lauren, and we pack the boxes, we do everything, we answer all you guys' emails and everything. So if you do know who I am, welcome back, GLITZGLAM fam. We're gonna go over the March box this month, and yeah, let's get into it. Guys, you know what to do. There's a box. Oop, you want to press it and subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Okay, come on, this is some phenomenal content here. I just filmed this look. It's a super quick look, super natural look that you can wear to work. You can wear, like I said, to the grocery store. You can wear it, you know, wherever. So here is the insert for this month. My sister always says I never show you guys the card, so here's the card. I designed this myself. So yeah, it just basically gives you the prices on everything, so you guys don't have to go Googling, and basically the theme, which is Glam Gone Wild. Let's see if I can find some sound effects to put in there. So it's Glam Gone Wild, hence my leopard turtleneck keyhole shirt representing Team Cheetah. So there were 3 variations this month. You could have gotten Team Peacock, Team Cheetah, or Team Zebra, which the animal for Glam Gone Wild in our Glam Safari corresponds to the colors that are featured in that variation. And also you get to see all of our fonts. Okay guys, so let's get into this month's box. I had so much fun doing this box this month because we met Y Cosmetics. We met them at the Indie Beauty Expo in LA. And we usually meet, you know, tons of brands there, but they were so cool. The owner was like saying how she used to do PR and how like she started her company because she wanted women to be in charge. And I'm just like, yes, because we are women in charge. And I just thought that was so cool. And it's, you know, Women's International Day was yesterday. So, yeah, it's, you know, women empowerment. Okay. It's better to support a woman than to make a man richer. Okay. And I'm not going to say what beauty boxes are owned by men. Okay. Because we don't discuss that on this channel. Okay. But anyway, let's continue. So there are 3 different variations. It's called, their names are literally 1, 2, and 3. But when we were letting people pick their variation, we changed it to Zebra, Cheetah, and Peacock. So I'll show you guys why. So my sister did do swatches of Zebra on Instagram, so I'm going to insert that here. And the Zebra was the black and white variation, so I'll insert the swatches here. And then we have the, what is this, 2, which am I wearing 2? No, I'm wearing 3. 2 is Cheetah, which is brown, like a chocolate brown, and a matte brown, which is so gorgeous. Like, I'm dying to put this all over my lid, by the way. And then this one is the one I'm wearing now, which is Peacock, because I just had to wear the gold, the coppery goldy. Had to wear the goldy coppery color, so I put it all over my lid and also underneath my lash line, also as a highlighter, and I kind of mixed the lipstick too as a highlighter. We'll get into it. Okay, so yeah, so that was this variation. Next is we featured liners. So the box comes with the liner, the palette, the shadow duos, the lashes, the lip liner, and a lipstick. So it's 5 items. Well, 6 if you count both shadows, but we'll just say 5. So 5 items. So I'm just going to show you guys all the variations here on this video, because some people like they don't know, you know, what were the other variations available. So this is a good video to watch if you want to see every single variation that you could have gotten. We do have other YouTubers who film, you know, awesome videos. So you can just search GLITZGLAMBOX. I used to have a playlist that I was updating. I haven't updated it in a while, but if you look at our GLITZGLAMBOX unboxings playlist, a lot of those people are still subscribers and still post, so you can see some other unboxings and see, you know, what people think of the box and what variation they got and, you know, what they think. So yeah, so here are the liners. I'm wearing the chocolate brown one today, which is, it's a little softer than black. And now anyone who knows me knows I only do black liner, so, or glitter liner. So this was stepping out of my comfort zone. But I actually really like it, and I think it's very soft. It's very wearable. This is so easy to use. If you are a beginner, you need to use this because the applicator is actually it's kind of wide. Like the applicator is wide, so you don't have to widen your line that you're making, because the applicator is actually kind of wide. So if you want to see, here's a swatch here. So like, see that, like this is like one swipe. So, and this is the brown, and it's showing up on my skin, which is a little deep. So, you know, they show up pretty well. They're very opaque. So so this was the brown. This came with cheetah, or you could have gotten the topaz, which is a shimmer gold. And then with zebra came either the black glitter, and this is our glitter item for the month, or the shimmering silver, which is so gorgeous. I'm so into silver. And I'll post the swatches again. My sister did of those. And then here is the sapphire, which came with the peacock variation because it had that blue, gorgeous blue shadow. So so yeah, so these were the liners. And then next is a company new to GLITZGLAMBOX. So yeah, so they're new to GLITZGLAMBOX. They actually sent us a sample box, and we were just in love, and we thought our subscribers would love these lashes. I just think this is so cool. The lashes are like they're like front and back, and these are so fluffy and light. So let me open them. Uh-oh, I have my claws on. Let me open these. Okay, so we have two different styles. So this is in the style Swift. So you can see it's super fluffy, very dense. It's like dense but fluffy, and they're so soft and so light, and you can actually store them in this case. So I really like that. And this is our other style, which is Skylark, and these retail for I think $12. So it's a kind of a luxe lash, like a luxe faux lash. And here we go. So this is the style Skylark. So that's cool. Okay, we also featured our GLITZGLAMBOX lipstick, which I'm wearing now. This is the color Trinity, and I actually put a little bit of this on as my highlight also, like right here and right here, because, you know, why not? You can get away with anything in makeup. Make your own rules in makeup, okay? Guys, don't take it too serious. It's just makeup. It's just makeup. So we have three different shades here. We have Trinity, which is the one that I'm wearing. So this is the super golden one, and this formula is super it's called a tender gloss. So it's very gloss-like, but it's like in lipstick form. So you can see, I just think that is so gorgeous. So this is Trinity, and then this is from our nude collection. This is African Sunset, and this one was included with the cheetah variation, I believe. or I might have mixed up the lipsticks a little bit. So that one's a little bit more pinky, but it's still, you know, in the nude family. And then I actually love this, even though I'm, oh, what? Hold up. Where's my nude? Oh, I was gonna say, I actually love this, even though I'm like deeper skinned. This is actually nude. It's called nude. And obviously it's not my kind of nude, but I actually really love this. If you can see here, it's so creamy and like it's not white. I know it looks white, but it's definitely not white. So these are all the lipsticks. So they're so just moisturizing, and I really love them. They're not sticky. They're just so, you know, easy to wear, and they kind of go with everything. So that's why I wanted to include a nude this month. Okay, next we have the complementing lip liners, and these are just 3 browns that kind of match with the lipsticks. So this is in the shade Auburn, so you can see that there. And then this is in the shade Chocolate, and ooh, I love chocolate. And then I'm wearing actually Nutmeg, which is my favorite, probably because it's the darkest, but yeah. So you can see these here, and they're really cute, and they go with the lipstick. So yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so if you stuck around to the end, I'm going to announce the giveaway winner, which my nephew Maxwell picked. So he went through the comments last month. If you saw, I told you guys leave a comment, and then I'll have Maxwell pick out the winner, because he loves reading my comments on my YouTube videos. So like he does his dramatic reading, and he just like loves emojis and everything. So you guys left him emojis, so thank you so much to everyone who entered. We're gonna have another giveaway in this video, but the giveaway winner from the last video is Kim Hall. So Kim Hall, you want to make sure you reach out to me, like here, Instagram, wherever, email us, and claim your prize. Yay! I think we might sell out. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, it's $15 a month. You get the 5 of the items shown, 1 from each category. And if you have a request, you want to email us as soon as possible after you subscribe. You can also add on like an extra liner if you want, or an extra shadow, or I wasn't able to add the lashes on this month, but next month we will have double the lashes again. I know that's like a super popular item. So don't worry, next month we're gonna have double the lashes again. And we're gonna have, we're having a palette next month, a full palette. So, so yeah, so if you guys are interested in subscribing, subscribe now, because we're probably going to sell out again. So I'll put the link down below if you want to subscribe. So yeah, so Kim Hall, want to make sure you reach out to us to claim your prize. And I think it's going to be the ultimate glam, which would be basically everything pictured, unless we sell out. In that case, it'll be something else. Or if you see something on the site, you know, let me know. Also going to be doing a giveaway for this month. So for this month, if you want to enter the giveaway, you want to just, of course, be subscribed. Leave a comment down below. What should we leave comments about? Okay, leave a comment down below what palette you think we're including in next month's in the April box. Okay, so leave a comment down below what palette you think we're featuring, or you can say like what brand we're featuring, if what you think that we're featuring. Okay, so, or what you would like us to feature, so that will work too. I know everyone's gonna say Glamlight, I already know. But yeah, so leave a comment down below with what brand you think we're featuring next month. or what brand you would like us to feature next month. There we go. That's how we'll enter. Okay, so you want to be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment down below what brand you think we should feature next month, or what you think we are featuring next month. Bonus entries always if you go on our Facebook page and if you go on our Instagram page. Yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm deliriously tired, as I always say in my videos. So yeah, till the next video. Bye.